OPI has always been one of my favorites. As soon as I saw these, I had to buy them. And the packaging is so cute. It's a nail polish bottle. These are the Zodiac edition. Just look at them. And the stickers came with all the Zodiac signs. The kit came with an alcohol pad, nail glue, a file, some extra nails, and a cuticle pusher. And the manual is so cute. It says, go from asking for a raise to your best friend's wedding. I already prepped my nails, but the file wasn't working for me, so I just used my own. And if your press-on nails are ever too big on the sides, go ahead and file them just like this. Since this is my first time using nail glue ever, I started off small, making sure not to get any on my cuticles. I did find that these nails were thinner than the press-on nails that I usually make, but I had no problem with them overall. I was fighting with these nail stickers though, and I finally won. I got one gold Gemini sign and one black Gemini sign and added some stars to tie the look together. OPI, you did great.